What's going on YouTube? This is Jesse aka Royalty Custom Sneakers and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some custom Air Force Ones. Stay tuned.
They ain't believe in us. God did.
We're going to be taking inspiration from the We The Best Jordan 5 that released earlier this year. Let's get into it. The most important part of any custom is the prep work. I use sandpaper, acetone and adhesion promoter to create a steady base for my paint. Then I mix a 1-to-1 ratio of paint and fabric medium so I can paint the sock liners of my shoes and keep them soft. I use a stick to spread out the shoe so I can get into all the little gaps, and a heat gun to make sure my sock liner stays soft. I use light coats of blue paint on the right shoe. It took me 3 coats to get it to be solid. On the left shoe, I lay down a base coat of lilac because purple is very transparent. Using lilac allows the purple to show up without any streaks. Then I go in with 2 light coats of Angelus violet. There will be a link in the description. After taping the swoosh and back tabs, I lay down 2 light coats of mist so paint will show up brighter on the black leather. For the swooshes, I use Angelus Pale Yellow and Georgia Peach. Again, there will be a link in the description. I use the same mixture of paint and GAC 900 to do the inside and outside of my tongues. Remember, the most important part of using fabric medium is heat setting. You must go over it with a heat gun or hairdryer. Finally, I glued some leaf pattern fabric onto the insoles, and it's time to see how these turned out.
Staying alive.
There you have it, a full walkthrough on how I made my God Did Air Force Ones. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay royal.